What about it, YouTube? So I just wanted to introduce to you our boat dodging bullets. Here's the boat. This is what we pulled all the way back from Marathon, Florida. And yes, it was risky. What I was most worried about was the bearings. As you can see, the axle is pretty rusted from its saltwater environment. So I think we're gonna need a new axle. It's gonna need a lot of work, but I just wanted to give y'all my vision of the boat. The boat's at my house. I'm in Madison, Alabama, which is right outside of Huntsville. And Steve lives in Franklin, Tennessee, so that's a couple hours north of me. And we're gonna be working on this boat together. He's gonna come and get it in about a week, and we'll probably be spending some weekends together fixing her up. So this is gonna be a saltwater boat, and we want to make the platform, what we're thinking is removing these wooden planks here and creating kind of a sandwich panel with 1/32 aluminum face sheets and a rigid foam insulation, about a 1/2 inch in the middle. We think that'll be sturdy enough for someone to stand on from about right here all the way back to here. So it's going to take some thinking, a little bit of engineering, but I think it should look pretty slick once we're done with it. We're going to have some cooler access right here, so there might be a little cutout here in the platform to have a cooler with some sort of latch to keep it in position and maintain the ability to open the cooler quickly and easily. But it should look pretty slick, and then we may have some sea deck or some sort of hard, very grippy foam pad up here to stand on and keep your feet cool. I went ahead and removed the front boards, the very most front boards, and this first seat here. You can see this is pretty much all it is, and you can see over there I outlined this kind of a rough level line of what the front deck is probably going to sit at. It's about 10.5 inches from here to here. That's where the seat was flush at, so we're gonna have to build up some sort of adapter plate or piece here to fill in that height gap there. But that kind of gives you a rough idea of what we're gonna do. One thing I was thinking about doing is closing this off with sheet metal and putting in some sort of electrical panel, or maybe not closing this off, or maybe extending this a little bit and having this where the battery sits for the trolling motor. We're gonna put a saltwater trolling motor up here somehow. We got to figure that out. So if anybody's got any ideas, hit me up in the comments below. But starting to take it apart. If you got any ideas, make sure to let us know in the comments. Thanks.